Wow, what an absolutely gorgeous pixie hairstyle with the highlights mixed in. This color is simply divine. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. Here we have the stylist asking the client, how short do you want to go? Stylist cuts off the hair. And wow, what a gorgeous shoulder length bob style. Absolutely stunning makeover. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have someone with beautiful curly hair. Her hair comes just around her shoulders. And she decides to shake things up with this curly bob makeover. Now, if you do have curly hair and you're looking for a fresh, new, modern way to rock your strands, this would be a very cute hairstyle idea. I love how voluminous and full her curls look. Very nice. Next up, we're at the salon once again. We have someone that has a shoulder length hair and some grown out color. Wow, absolutely stunning pixie makeover. I love the color that she got. And she is rocking that two-toned color trend. This is so cute. So it looks like she got a pixie undercut style with the ash blonde hair shade. Next up, we have another bob makeover. Beautiful bangs to frame out this bob. Very cute, and I love how the bangs can be parted down the center, giving more of that like bottleneck style, or she can wear them more of the traditional way, creating more of like that French girl bob look. Lots of versatility within this haircut. Next up, we have our last transformation for today's video. She does have some grown out color here. And it looks like she wants to get a bob. So her makeover is also going to include some color. There is the final result. Beautiful shoulder length bob style. I think the stylist did a great job with that one. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.